Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 1 plus 2024 to power of 2 plus 2024 to power of 2 over 2025 to power of 2 minus 1 over 2025. So, in here, in the first step, we start by letting x as 2024. So, from here, x plus 1 is equal to 2025, right? So, we substitute in this equation and it will be the square root of 1 plus, this is x to power of 2 plus x squared, right, over x plus 1 to power of 2 and minus 1 over 2025 is x plus 1. So, in next step, in here, we have 1 plus x squared. If we have x plus 1 to power of 2, this is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? And in here we take this 2x to this side and it will be x plus 1 or 1 plus x to power of 2 minus 2x is equal to x squared plus 1, right? So, from here, x squared plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x to power of 2 minus 2x, and we substitute, we write this in here. So, this is equal to 1 plus x squared, we write this square root of 1 plus x to power of 2 minus 2x, right? We write this as x squared plus 1 and plus x squared over x plus 1 to power of 2 minus 1 over x plus 1. And in next step, in here, we take common denominator and it will be square root of, our common denominator is x plus 1 to power of 2. So, in here we have 1 plus x to power of 2 and we can write this as 1 plus x to power of 2 over 1. Also for this, negative 2x over 1. So, in here, our common denominator is x plus 1 to power of 2. So, we multiply this 1 by x plus 1 to power of 2. And in here, we multiply this numerator by x plus 1 to power of 2, right? So, x plus 1 to power of 2 times 1 plus x to power of 2, it will be 1 plus x to power of 4, right? And minus 2x times this, 2x times x plus 1 to power of 2 and plus in here x squared, right? And in here we have minus 1 over x plus 1. And in here we write this numerator in here. We have 1 plus x to power of 2. We can write 1 plus x to power of 4. We can write 1 plus x to power of 4 as 1 plus x to power of 2 and to power of 2, right? 2 times 2, it will be 4. Minus 2 times x plus 1 to power of 2. We can write this as 2 times x plus 1 or 1 plus x to power of 2 and times this x, right? And plus x squared. And here, if you look at this carefully, this is in the form of a squared minus 2 times a times b and plus b squared, right? And in here, this is equal to a minus b to power of 2. which is in here, a is 1 plus x to power of 2 and b is x, right? So in here we can write this as a minus b to power of 2. So a is 1 plus x to power of 2, 1 plus x to power of 2, and minus b is x, minus x and to power of 2. So in here, write this numerator as 1 plus x to power of 2 minus x to power of 2. So we write in here, we have the square root of, for this numerator we write this 1 plus x to power of 2 minus x to power of 2 over x plus 1 to power of 2, or we can write 1 plus x to power of 2, right? Minus, in here, 1 over x plus 1, 1 over x plus 1. And here, we can write this fraction as square root of 1 plus x to power of 2 minus x over 1 plus x and all of this fraction to power of 2, right? Minus 1 over x plus 1. And here, this 2 will cancel this square root and it will be 1 plus x to power of 2 minus x over 1 plus x minus 1 over x plus 1, right? And in here, this is equal to 1 plus x to power of 2, it will be 1 plus 2x plus x squared, right? And minus x over 1 plus x and minus 1 over x plus 1. And here we can write this as 1 plus x, and for numerator we have 1 plus 2x plus x squared minus x and minus 1. So in here, this negative 1 will cancel this positive 1, and it will be 2x minus x, it will be x and plus x squared over 1 plus x, right? And in here, this is equal to, from x and x squared, we factor x, and it will be this divided by x is 1, and this divided by x, it will be x over 1 plus x. And here, this will cancel this, and this is equal to x. And we recall in here, x as 2024, right? So in here we write this is equal to 2024, and this is our final answer. So in here we can write this is equal to 2024. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.